Good morning, everybody. My name is Joel Dallin. I'm the Lighting Product Sales Manager here at Häfele America. Today I'm here to talk to you about our new drawer light system. This is a system we brought out just recently at KBIS this year. We are able to now put in a light into a drawer that is a little more form-friendly and more beautiful for you. So we're going to go through a quick unboxing of the light. When you receive a drawer light from us, these come pre-packaged if you choose in 18, 24, 30 and 36 inch lengths, designed for most common drawer sizes in the industry. In that kit, you're going to see we're going to have an end cap section and some wiring, some wire management clips. So we're going to give you screws to mount it to the cabinet. We're going to give you wire management clips to route your wiring, and we're going to give you the end cap pieces themselves right here. Then the bar itself comes in, again, pre-manufactured lengths as you so choose. And when you choose this, the bar will come pre-assembled with the sensor on this end. This is the sensor for it. Has a couple features to the sensor. First, it has the infrared sensor that touches when the drawer closes. Secondly, it has our push to color button. This is a set and forget color system. So when you push this button, it will cycle through the different colors available on this light, which range from 2700 Kelvin warm white all the way up through 5000 Kelvin cool white. The light itself comes with end caps already attached, and it comes with the sensor on the other end. This light is customizable in the field. If you so choose, you can take the end cap off of the non-sensor end, and this can be cut with a general hacksaw or chop saw. So it gives you an opportunity to adjust to order a standard size and then adjust as you need in the field to match your cabinetry without having to reorder different SKUs. So once we get that unboxed, that is one way we can build a drawer light. The way that these are actually installed is they have an end cap for each end. These end caps are a U-shaped end cap. They are designed to screw towards the outside gables or face frame of your cabinet. So you have screws provided for you and holes in the back of the end cap. Now, one thing to note here, the end cap is a U-shape. The reason for that U-shape is you put the closed end of the U to the front of the opening, and that allows us to slide the bar, and I'm doing this upside down for illustration. It allows the bar to slide in from the front and lock into that end cap. So it makes it so that you can remove this bar. You do not have to try and put the screws in while the bar is actually hanging from them. You set the end caps first, and then you slide the bar again onto the mounting brackets as so. And I apologize, this has got a very small end cap, the idea being a very low profile. We have a 1/4 inch profile that is 3/4 of an inch deep to match up with your cabinet face frames if you have them, or match. It is also stiff enough that it will run between the sides of a frameless cabinet without any horizontal member in the middle as well. That is our pre-made light bar. Now the other part of that of our drawer light system is the componentry. So we offer the end cap kit as a self-standing component. You add that with the ribbon of your choice in here. In this case, we're going to use the tunable white 3107 ribbon, which is our higher output. The 3106 ribbon is also applicable to this product. And then the third and final piece of that is the 3110 drawer light profile system, which is a lens and profile system with a plastic lens and metal substructure, as most of our lens systems are. This is designed to slide in and slide out. And there we go. So it gives you that idea that you can see the extrusion itself, and then the lens slides over top of that. So from there, the assembly setup for this, if you're going to assemble your own light bar, again, unpackage. You're going to get your hardware kit, which we can set aside for a moment, and then the sensor kit is inside. So the assembly on this particular piece, this is the raw sensor kit. That simply, when we slide this aluminum out of the profile, We slide the aluminum out of the profile. We slide the sensor onto the back of the profile. And one thing to point out that I just did, this sensor always is going to go, if you're facing into the cabinet, is going to go on the right-hand side. So I've actually got to switch this around and do it the other direction. This can be cut, this profile can be cut as you choose, using a hacksaw, using a chop saw. So when I do the assembly here, slide the profile, the sensor onto the profile. As such, you want to make sure it gets fully seated in the back. As that shows. From there we have our standard pinch connectors. So we pinch those up, raise the connector lid, and we're able to take our ribbon at that point. And this diverges a little bit from our standard ribbon connections, as there is no bottom to this connector. The bottom is the rail itself. So we're going to take, in this case, our 3107 COB gold ribbon. We're going to slide, take and peel that back just a little bit. This has already been cut. We're going to then slide that ribbon underneath the spring contacts in the bar. Make sure we get it fully seated in there. So I've got it fully controlled underneath, and then I'm going to simply close that over top until I hear it click. I can then peel back the self-adhesive on the ribbon and stick that to the bottom of the profile to the length that I've cut. So I'm able to make that bar anywhere that you would like. From 0 to 92 inches is the bar length as started. We generally recommend you keep this under 1 meter just for structural rigidity of the aluminum itself. So that is, in a quick video for you, our 3110 drawer light system. Again, 18, 24, 30, and 36 inches pre-cut for you. Lengths longer than that or to your own specification are available in pieces and components from there. Thanks for your time today. Good selling. Let's light up some drawers.